Hi, this is Tim from Rehab My Patient, and I'm going to show you how to add practitioners to your account. So log into Rehab My Patient and navigate to the settings in the top right corner. Click settings, and now on the left you'll see all the options for the for using Rehab My Patient, and these options make your clinic a little bit more bespoke, so they can tweak things. There's so many great options, and you'll see one of them on the left hand side is practitioners, so click practitioners. Now, practitioners will only be available if you have a clinic or multi-clinic account. So if you're an individual user, you won't have the option to add practitioners. What you'd like to do now is to add a practitioner. Let's set one up. And then select clinics that you want to add. Put in a password. And these options will, first of all, allow the practitioner to access other people's patients. So this is the most commonly applied option for clinics or multi-clinic licenses where practitioners will share patients. You'll send out the login details via the email. So this will email your practitioner with the login details, and you'll force the practitioner to change their password when they log on. So if you set the password for security, it will allow your user to change their password. Now, if your password is too short, just put in a stronger password and then click Add Practitioner. I've now added my practitioner, and I can also resend the email reminder when I'm ready, and I can check their stats as well. So if I want to check the stats, I click Stats, and it will show up when they logged in and the number of patients that they've seen, the exercise plans and the templates they've created. So it's quite a useful little stat, and you can keep track of your practitioners and how much they're using the site. So let's run through that one more time. Add new practitioner. Add in their email address. Select the clinics that you want to add them to. Enter a password. And decide whether you want these. Usually all three of these are added, and press Add Practitioner. Your practitioner will now be able to log in and get access to Rehab My Patient. Just make sure you input the correct email address, unlike what I've just done. So if they don't receive the email, then it could be you've entered an incorrect email address, or you could just manually tell them what their password is. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the site. Have fun.